Hello. Today we are going to learn the parts of the house. This is the kitchen. My mother cooks in the kitchen. She uses a fry pan. Here we have the frying pan and stove. Frying pan and stove. In the kitchen, there is a refrigerator. Here we have the refrigerator, the frying pan, and the stove. In the kitchen. The frying pan and the stove in the kitchen. This is the bedroom. In the bedroom we sleep. We sleep in the bedroom. He sleeps on the bed. This is the bed in the bedroom. The bed in the bedroom. This is the dining room. We eat in the dining room. They eat at the table. This is the table. The table for having the breakfast, having the lunch, and having the dinner. In the dining room. There is a table in the dining room. Here we have the living room. In the living room, we watch TV. Here we watch TV on the sofa. This is the sofa and we watch TV. In the living room. There is a sofa in the living room and the TV. This is the bathroom. In the bathroom, we brush our teeth. And we use toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush, toothpaste, to brush our teeth in the bathroom. In the bathroom, we make pee. He pees into the toilet. This is the toilet and he pees into the toilet. In the bathroom. This is the bathroom. The toilet in the bathroom. So here we have some objects, algunos objetos de nuestra casa. Vamos a decir en qué parte de la casa se encuentran cada uno de ellos. The toilet. The toilet is in the bathroom. The toilet is in the bathroom. The toothpaste. Toothpaste is in the bathroom. The sofa. The sofa is in the living room. The table is in the dining room. The bed is in the bedroom. The bed. This is the bed. The frying pan in the kitchen. And the stove in the kitchen. Now we are going to do an activity.